Hey guys, what's up? Yeah, there's some cool red scales here. Crimson, color of blood. Some nice ones here from GT Designs. I wasn't expecting them to be this dark, but still like them. Just gives the knife a more authentic look. That's why I gave it the name Sanguan. Sanguan? Yeah, Sanguan. Cause it means blood in Latin. I just really like this blood color. Yeah, I ain't gonna get no more damn scales. I'm done with the scales because now I have more scales than I have knives. So that's kind of sucky for real. Having more scales than you have knives. And then you want to just keep taking off scales and putting back on scales and taking off scales. And I don't want to have to keep doing that shit for real, man. So still don't mean that I'm gonna buy another rep though. Ah, I got your ass. Oh, that was a good save before you hit the ground. Oh shit. Yeah, but this is gonna be the last skills, last set of skills that I'm gonna buy, man. I had a name that I wanted to name him to. I wanted to name him Roman. Name the color this one Roman. Since the Roman legionnaires, they wore this color, crimson. But I see no, let me go with Sanguan instead. Maybe I can still change his name. Still have a nice sound. Some of you guys was asking me how he did this. This is just a simple task here, man. Just take a Dremel and just mill out the edge of the liners. Ain't hard. Anyone could do it. I used to do it with all my knives. Motherfucker, I kinda still do, but I haven't had a regular knife in so long, so how the hell does that move go again? Anyway, this is just me flipping and rambling. Oh shit. I almost did a roll over on the edge. That one ain't right at all. But yeah, man, if you guys want some nice skills, man, go check JT Designs, man. Check JT Designs or Hammer. I haven't heard Hammer hasn't posted any skills in a minute. But JT just he stays posting for the most. So here's a nice color selection to choose from. This one was supposed to originally replace Red Queen, you know. But I didn't thought the red was gonna come out this dark. So I put the Red Queen to the side. Long live the Queen. Anyway. She could always come back maybe sometime in the future. Oh damn. Yeah, I still have to promise you guys I'm gonna do that video with the rep that I recently got with the aluminum scales. Promise you that. I'm still gonna do that. Just got a little bit sidetracked over the weekend, so yeah, I'll deal with that. Still gonna show you guys that video though. I'll show you what you're gonna get. But I was doing an experiment though. I was experimenting with vomit with the frame from the new one I got, and that frame was pretty damn light. So it seems like those liners for these generation 4s are pretty damn light. They're really light compared to these generation 1s. And the washers are thick as hell. These are thickest washers I've seen in a knife. I thought the washers I use were thick, but those are like really thick. And the bushings are big, sort of oversized when you look at it. I'm gonna show you guys all of that. Everything about it seems more lightweight compared to this in standard. Like if you take scales and you put it down to that generation 4 clone, is like generation clone lighter with the scales on than this. This seems lighter. It almost has like a hollow feel to it. Yeah, it almost seems hollow. And the blade too. The blade for it came with the BRS logo on it. I didn't like that shit at all. I like plain blades, man. Regardless of the fact, it's like plain blades. I'm not gonna like polish it out or anything. Fucking, it is what it is. Ooh. And the edge didn't came all that sharp, which is fine. You know worries with that. I ain't obsessed with a super sharp Balisong. Just no. I ain't never obsessed with that because I don't cut with these. I don't cut shit with my Balisongs. I don't even cut paper. I don't cut anything with it because them is knives. These is knives I just don't use for none of those cutting tasks. Only to play with. That's it. So I don't care how sharp a live blade comes. I don't care about none of that. For Balisongs, I just don't care. Give me my super sharp blades for my combat knives and such. My combat knives or camping knives, survival knives. Yeah, those have to be sharp, but Balisongs, nah. Not in my opinion, nah. You ain't gotta be sharp at all. I'm practicing new moves. I just ain't gonna do it over this shit. No. Yeah, so when you ordering JT scales, man, scales run about $50 a pop. Decent price. Some guys have their scales selling out there for like 80 bucks and 100 and shit. That's for the birds, to tell the truth. I ain't saying I never bought a set of scales once like that. Those were the glow in the dark ones. I'm never gonna spend that much on some scales ever again. Probably that's why I never bought any, like, cause I want me a pair of squiggle scales, man. Oh, I want me some of squiggle scales. These scales are fucking excellent. They're just beautiful ass scales. The price point just high, you know. Still will give me a pair if I had the money to blow like that. Definitely. I mean, that's as much as a knife. And that'd be an expensive ass piece of steel boy all together. A knife can like run you like 600 bucks, 650. That would be something I would not be flipping a lot though. Yeah, you guys come take a walk with me throughout the building. Cause right now I just rambling, to tell you the truth. I really have nothing to say for real. Just rambling, showing you the blood look. I'm gonna tour through the building. I'm late shift. Well, final shift for this building. Building closes at 8 o'clock. Yeah, I do this a lot. Just walk around and just flip. One more person in here. I ain't going back there. I don't need to anyway. So let me see if I could chaplain from here all the way back to my post again. Let me see. I'm gonna go a long way too. So it's a long ass chaplain. Thing about doing choppings, man, is like for a long period of time, it's like your muscle memory. You go a long way. And the building a little bit bigger than this. Here's a whole another half, but I ain't fucking going down there. Thing about that chopping is like when you keep going, it's like your forearm and your arm muscles get stiff, and it's like, okay, just keep going. Up. All right, still going. I should go through the cafeteria, yeah, move a longer way, cause then I don't have to stop the. Oh shit! Damn it! I lost. Completely lost. Yep, lost that. As soon as I go through the damn cafeteria, man, shit just slip out my fingers because I lost focus from the screen. I was trying to like look at the screen and what I'm doing at the same friggin' time. Shit, I might do that over again. Some marker on this damn building. Yes, that was just a semi-tour around the building. Oh my god, what the? Oh, just a semi-tour around the building. I ain't really show y'all no features and shit, cause this is a federal building. And I ain't gonna be showing you no features and all this extra shit for real. So.
Okay.
All right.
That's it right there for tomorrow.
All right. About to leave now?
Yeah, about 2 minutes.
All right. Still flipping. I'm the one with the badge here and the strap. Shit. Bloody hell, let me stop.